Hello there, greetings, it is Matthew McDonald here. Got a video for you where I'm going to show you how to install a Chrome extension without going through the Google Play Store or the Google Chrome extensions marketplace. So if you've got access to a better software, or maybe you've purchased a premium extension that's not available in the directory, in the depository on Google, then you can install that yourself directly onto your Chrome. And so in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. So here we go, I'm on my desktop, and first of all it should probably come in a zip package. So here I've got the affiliate link button. This is a Chrome extension, but I'm going to be installing it without going through the Google process. So first of all, I've just downloaded this file that's been sent to me. This is the extension, and I've got it here in my downloads. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to unzip it, and it's actually really easy. So a little bit different. If you're used to doing WordPress plugins, you don't unzip it. This time we're going to unzip it, and here we can see the folder. Now this needs to stay after we install it. It needs to stay in the same place. So if you want to create a folder in My Documents or somewhere on your computer where you can leave it, as long as you're using the plugin, you can leave it permanently there. Then you can do that. So I've got this in the downloads. I'd probably clear this out, but I'll just leave it here for this example. And we're going to head over to Chrome, and we need to go to extensions. So you could type it in there. You've got those three dots, more options. We're going to go extensions, and it's going to take me to this page. Now you can always get to your Chrome extensions page even just by typing in Chrome / extensions, and you can also, I've got it bookmarked as well. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go here to the top right corner and activate development mode, giving that a click, and then you'll get a couple of options here. So you've got load, unpack, pack extension, and update. So we're going to choose load unpacked, giving that a click. And here, going to downloads, here we can see the folder. I'm selecting the folder. I'm not even able to select a zip file, and I'm just going to choose select. And now we can see affiliate link button has been installed, and then you'll see it here in your Chrome browser. So if I give that a click here, you can see I've got affiliate link button installed. And now if I was to go to Amazon, which is what this extension does, I'm going to go to a product page. I just need to wait for the whole page to load. You know, these Amazon pages, they're about, some of them are like 10-20 megabytes. So here we can see get affiliate link now. So that's working, and I just put my affiliate associate tag there. And there's my affiliate link for this particular product. So that's it for this video. Really straightforward. And that's how easy it is to install a Chrome extension.